Pulleys. Pulley consists of a wheel, like you see here, and some kind of a rope or cable. And the purpose of using a pulley is one of two things. Either to change direction of the object, like in this picture, this man wants the barrel to go up, so he's pulling down. So he's able to change the direction by pulling down. He's able to pull the barrel up. Another reason to use a pulley is to change the magnitude. In other words, it's possible, not with this pulley system, but with some pulley systems, that if this barrel here is 50 pounds, that he won't have to pull with 50 pounds. He might have to just pull with 25 pounds of force. Now, once again, in this picture, that's not true, but that's the purpose of a pulley. Could be both of these things, change direction and change magnitude, or it could just be one or the other, change direction or change magnitude. There's basically two kinds of pulley systems. Here on the left, we have the fixed pulley system. It's called that because this pulley up here is not moving. The wheel is moving, but the actual pulley up here at the top is fixed to the ceiling, and as you're pulling on this rope, it's rotating, but its location is not changing. Over here on the right, we have a movable pulley system. Now, some of these pulleys are fixed, some are movable, but as long as one is movable, then we call it a movable system, although not all the pulleys are movable. For example, these pulleys up here at the top, those are all fixed. They're attached to the ceiling here. They don't move. They rotate, but the actual pulley itself doesn't change location. These pulleys down here are going to move. So let me try to illustrate. We have someone down here pulling on this rope. Very happy about it. He's pulling on it because he's trying to get this crate to go up. As he's pulling on it, these pulleys down here are going to also move up. So these here are considered movable. These ones here are considered fixed. Let's discuss the ideal mechanical advantage of a fixed pulley and the ideal mechanical advantage of a movable pulley. This first picture here is a fixed pulley. Once again, it's fixed because the pulley itself will not move up and down. This mechanical advantage is 1. You simply count the number of supporting strands. In this case, this part right here is a supporting strand. It's holding this up. This guy here on the right, the strand that he's holding, if it's moving in the opposite direction of what he's pulling, of what he's trying to move, then it's not supporting. This is moving up, he's pulling down, therefore we do not count this one. So there's one supporting strand, so the ideal mechanical advantage is 1. Over here on the right, we have a movable pulley. And I'm telling you here this has the ideal mechanical advantage of 2. And the reason it's 2, there's 2 supporting strands here. To make sure you understand the picture, this black segment that you see here, that is some type of a fixed object, like a ceiling, something like that. This green that you see here is the rope. The red here is the wheel of the pulley. So someone is up here and they are pulling this rope up. As they pull it up, the red axle is going to move up and the weight's going to also move up. Notice the person is pulling in the same direction as the weight is moving, the load, I should say. So in that case, we can count that strand. And then also, this strand here on the left we can also count. So that gives us the ideal mechanical advantage of 2. So to sum up about mechanical advantage, ideal mechanical advantage of a pulley, it equals n, where n is the number of supporting strands. And then we should note here that's every strand except the strand being pulled in the opposite direction of the resistance or load. Show you a couple more pictures here. Here is someone that's going to be working out. They're going to be pulling down here. There's a little wheel up here, and then the cable comes down through here. Mechanical advantage here is 1. This person that's working out is just changing the direction of the weights so they can get their full workout. The machine just enables them to change the direction of it. This picture here, there's a lot happening. I probably can't even, probably can. We got a strand here, a strand here, a strand here, and a strand here. That's 4 strands. Yeah, there's more happening to this picture, so we couldn't figure out the mechanical advantage because this cable is coming over yonder, going someplace else. And this last picture here, another pulley system. There's lots of different wheels in here and here. The cable's going back and forth there. And then it comes up through here and back down. Pretty complex system we got there.